So for the parabolic setups at least, it's easier to spot them on an arithmetic chart, okay? Just to see the slope, just to, to see the structure, the change of character. Now, let's look at another two examples before we get into the setup and the nuances. Look at as I said, look at Donald Trump media here. Based on the capitalization of that stock, what's the minimum threshold we have? Raz chart setup is arithmetic for the parabolic shorts, as I said, to see the structure, right? So what's the minimum threshold we have? That's a company with a small market cap, right? So what's the minimum threshold we require? 200%? Correct. And I monitor it from the last pivot, usually, as I said, the 20 moving average as a proxy. Okay? So if we go up, it's around this zone that are way to get interested. Okay? Did we surpass it here? Is the first filter okay? Yes. What else do we have? Are this day here and this day here kind of different from what it is here? Especially this day with a gap? Yes. Do we have a massive volume? That's a big bonus factor. Are we approaching a psychological number which is 50 as well? So what do I say here? You know what? If I had another day, it would be optimal, but it can go the next day. If I had a gap up, even better. Well, you would nail it again. Simple stuff. Okay? And what was that category? A random burst, right? A random burst. It wasn't, a momentum leader. Let's look at Palantir when it IPO'd. Just to understand the filters.
Do you prefer one of the categories versus another, or you kind of treat them the same?
I kind of treat them same, Richard. It's just the frequency. I mean, the random bursts and let's say the thematic bursts are way more frequent than any other stuff. But if I had to pick one, for sure it would be the momentum leaders. I would pick the rare phenomena, let's say, okay? Because you can have some rare phenomena on the momentum leaders, and usually these prices are really lucrative and you have a lot of liquidity. It's easy to find shares to short. So it's really lucrative, okay? But, silver, for example, was a momentum leader move that was really lucrative to capture. But also CAR, for example, that happened Avis, it was a rare phenomenon.